In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in the Exness terminal for your MT5 account. Getting your time zone right is a small tweak that makes a big difference. It ensures your charts, timestamps, and trading history line up with your local time, which helps you track sessions accurately and avoid confusion around news events or market opens. First, log into your Exness personal area. This is your main dashboard where you manage accounts, settings, and trading options. Make sure you're on the official website and that your connection is secure before proceeding. Once you've signed in, you'll see your list of trading accounts. Next, find any of your MT5 accounts and click the Trade button. From the menu that appears, select Exness Terminal. MT5 stands for MetaTrader 5, and the Exness Terminal is the web-based trading interface that lets you use MT5 features directly in your browser without installing extra software. If your browser asks for permission to open a new tab or window, allow it so the terminal can launch smoothly. When the terminal opens, look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. You'll typically find it in the top right area of the interface. Clicking this opens a panel with various preferences you can adjust to tailor the terminal to your needs. Inside the settings, locate the time zone option. Open the drop-down menu and choose the time zone that matches your location or the one you prefer to trade in. You can select by city or by UTC offset. If you live in a region that observes daylight saving time, pick a city in your region so the terminal adjusts automatically when the clocks change. Once selected, the terminal updates immediately. No extra confirmation is needed. After you make the change, your chart timestamps, order history times, and platform clock will reflect your chosen time zone. This doesn't affect server time or how your orders execute. It simply adjusts what you see so it's easier to read and analyze. If you collaborate with others in different regions, remember that they may see different local times, so referring to UTC can be helpful for coordination. That's all there is to it. You've logged into your personal area, opened the Exness terminal from your MT5 account, access the settings, and set the time zone that works best for you. You can revisit this setting anytime if you travel or prefer to view charts in another market's local time. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.